Hi everyone, I am Yamini, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 5 Object Oriented Programming using Java. In this unit, we are discussing about intercommunication threading and then multi-threading, try, catch and finally. These informations are briefly explained by many students.
Hello everyone, I'm Niyati. So the topic is intercommunication thread. So basically what is thread? Thread is the smallest unit in a program which helps to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. So there is also a multi-threading. Multi-threading is something which helps to process all the tasks simultaneously like listening to music and writing and all. So here there's a concept inter-thread communication. Inter-thread communication is something uh, for example, if there is a two thread, so it creates a communication between each other. It's like pinging. So it in multi-threading, especially in multi-threading, there is an ability to contact or communicate with each other thread. Why it is actually needed? Why intercommunication thread is needed? Because it is a mechanism. Before completing one thread's task, another thread cannot be processed. For example, one thread will be an data producing thread and other will be a consumer thread. So the consumer thread have to wait until the producer thread to complete their task. That's why it can consume. So in order to notify, they use some notify function like wait function, notify function and notify all function. So these functions are signals, as in that way only they actually communicate. So these functions are signals of an one thread to another.
Today we are going to see about exception handling in Java. Exception means an error that occurs during program execution. To handle error, Java provides keywords like try, catch, finally. Uh, the risky code is written inside the try block, and if an error occurs, the catch block handle it. Example: if we divide a number by 0, Java creates an exception. Instead of stopping the program, exception handling manages the error smoothly.
I'm Rubashri. Now I'm going to explain the try function in Java. As we know, the if a program that will pass an error, we may write that code in try block. And this try block will never stop the program suddenly if an error appears. It will continue to catch block and display the continuously do the code in the catch block. For example, in an ATM, if we enter the wrong pin, it will never stop the whole process. It will display the message like you entered the wrong code. Please enter the code correctly. Like it will display the message. This is an example for try block.
My topic is catch block. The catch block is very important thing in exception handling. So the catch block tries to catch the errors happened in the try block, and then it will debug the errors. So when the sudden termination happens in the exception, so the catch block tries to capture and then rectify the error so that the errors can be smoothly terminated. So in exception handling, the new exception can be interrupted so that the other programs can be disrupted so that the catch block catches the error and rectifies it. In the Java, it also allows the multiple catch blocks so that it can catch multiple errors in one try block. It is user friendly and way more efficient than other uh, error rectifying methods.
So, I'm Marigan from Aerospace Department. So, my topic is finally. So, we know about the exception case handling in Java. So, we have three cases: try, catch, and finally. So, this finally is the last thing in this exception handling. So we can take a ATM as example. So the user will come, he will just put his ATM card on the machine and he will do some coding like the password thing. So that time the ATM will process and so this try and catch will be a deciding factor. But this finally will not care about it. It will not care whether the outcome is try or catch. It will just execute code. That is, even if transaction fail or complete, the ATM card has to be come out at some time. So that's what finally do. So that's
The mentee students has explained in Unit 5 Object-Oriented Programming in Java. She is explained in intercommunication threading. He is explained in exception handling. She is explained in try. She explained in catch. He explained in finally. These informations are explained briefly, neatly, good. Very good and very nice. Thank you.